Hey guys, this is Shaun and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Okay, let's learn together. In this tutorial, we will learn what is Vidiq, and how to install on Chrome, and the final thing is why Vidiq is very important for YouTuber. So let's get started. First of all, we want to go on Google, then search Vidiq, Chrome extension, and that is very easy. Now enter. After that, you will see this link and just open it, and you will see the option add to Chrome. Okay, so let's do it and add extension and wait for a few seconds to add the extension on your Chrome browser. After that, you will see these kinds of notifications. So I want to sign up with Google, so just click it, and I want to sign up with this mail. Okay, so that's cool, and it will be redirected and installation was successful. So first of all, I want to pin on the section here, and then I want to search some keywords like Fiverr tutorial. So when we will search these kinds of things for any kinds of keywords, suppose we want to make a tutorial about Fiverr tutorial, and this is our keywords, and we want to research it using Vidiq. Okay, so here is the option of Vidiq. So how we can get the best information for our next videos? First of all, you should search your keywords on search area. After that, you will see this kinds of interface from YouTube, and here is the basic things you should know about it. Just this Fiverr tutorial keywords search volume, and overall score is high, and volume this, and competition is like this, and search terms for Fiverr tutorials: highest views, average subscribers, and all the other things. And you will see the top channel for the search terms, so you can open it and you can see what kinds of videos they make, and you can get idea. So we can select keywords from here. This is the top opportunity, I think, and if you want, you can pick these two: Fiverr tutorial for beginners and how to make money on Fiverr. After that, just copy it and search on here, so you can open it, and you can
We've helped millions of creators improve
just collect some
their
information
SEO to grow their
here
YouTube
for your
channels.
next
TubeBuddy is
videos.
a platform that helps you save
Mainly
time, get more
how many keywords or tags they use in his videos, so you can just check it out, and you can use for your next videos, and rewrite it for unique, and hope that you will get best results.
Hello everyone, तो
This
आज की
is
वीडियो में
this
हम
is
लोग
basic
करने
things
वाले
for
हैं कि हम
Vidiq,
कैसे
and
Fiverr
if you
setup
want
करने
to
वाले हैं अपना
get more videos for Vidiq, and definitely I will make you for you guys. And thank you, and if you like this video, please subscribe, and if you think this video is very helpful, please like and share. Definitely, thank you so much, and see you soon.